Welcome to Floating Condos of Commodore 11. Scan the QR code on screen now for easy booking details. This unique waterfront hotel in San Francisco blends luxury with serenity, offering a peaceful escape just moments from the city's vibrant attractions. Perfect for romantic getaways or business trips, the condos feature modern designs and all the comforts you need for a relaxing stay. Enjoy stunning bay views from your room and take advantage of complimentary Wi-Fi to stay connected. Check-in starts at 4 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in, while checkout at 11 a.m. lets you savor a leisurely morning. The hotel's prime location puts you steps away from San Francisco's top sights while providing a quiet retreat after a day of exploring. Though children are welcome, please note there may be additional fees as they aren't included free of charge. With easy parking options and seamless connectivity, Floating Condos of Commodore 11 makes your stay as smooth as the surrounding waters. For a truly memorable San Francisco experience, scan the QR code now to book your stay.